Hello guys and welcome back to Funnel Strike. My name is Manu, and in this particular session today we will go ahead and see that how we can able to create a very nice looking funnels like a web page for your business, and how simple it is that we will go ahead and understand in this particular session. Okay, so without wasting time, let's get started. So now we are on my computer screen. If you can see on the GrooveFunnels dashboard, in this particular section we have to go to the Groove Pages area, which is available to the left hand side top area by the name of Groove Pages or GrooveFunnels. So let's go ahead and click on it. And as this is a premium account which I'm using right now, and I have unlimited option to create a website, so let's go ahead and start a new website, and I will show you that what kind of website I will go ahead and create in just a few simple steps. We don't have to design the website, we don't have to put any kind of codings over there. Okay, it is just a pre-designed templates which we will get from the GrooveFunnels, and using those templates, just by putting our copywriting things and just making some little bit changes over there, we will able to publish our website within couple of hours only. Okay, so here you can see that we are on the single page option right now, and now we have to select that which particular template I have to use to create my website. It depends completely on your niche, that what is your niche, okay, regarding what you are talking and what actually the offers you are going to provide to your clients. So it depends on that. So if you want, you can go ahead and check the previews of those particular funnels over there. You can just go ahead and check the previews of these templates. Okay, before going in and starting with that, what difference they have from the other one. Okay, because it will definitely go ahead and help you out to create your mindset that what particular things, what kind of attractive labels you have to put on your website. Okay, so here you can see that as this is a premium account, I don't have any restrictions, and I need to go ahead and simply select any one of the particular theme from here related to my website. Okay, it also depends that whether I want to create a website, whether I want to create like a lead magnet funnel or a sales page. Okay, because if we are going to create a lead magnet, so in the first page we have to also provide a lead capturing option, like we have to give some call to action area over there where customer can go ahead and fill up their information like their name, email address, phone number, okay, whatever the requirements are there, and they can submit over there. Okay, so it usually happens, the lead magnet sites are usually happens with the companies like real estate, okay, or maybe the product which is high in cost, because always people wants to first of all go ahead and inquire about such kind of products. So they definitely find some area where they can able to put their details and little bit descriptions about the product, that what actually they are looking for, and they can submit their queries. Okay, so once the query will received by the owner of the company, they can contact the customer and they can able to explain the features of their product to the client, and it all depends on them that whether the client is getting converted or not. So this is a kind of lead magnet website. Okay, so let's go ahead and check one. All right, so here we have lots of different options. So I'm just going to select one of this one, need a PC repair one, and I have also built a website on this particular theme. So let me go ahead and select this one, and just let us go ahead and give the name over there, PC repair site, and it will take a couple of moments to go ahead and open the editing area. So now you can see that editing area in front of us, and now we can go ahead and make the changes according to us. All right, so the very first thing that you can see, the design is completely done over there. Okay, I don't think that the design is needed in this particular page, because the things which is needed in over here is already provided. What we can do, we can simply go ahead and add some additional features, add some additional testimonials over there, that if the client is coming, if any customer is coming on your website, okay, so they will able to find out that what is our services, what actually we are trying to provide to the customers. So let's first of all see that whether this is a single page only or we have another other pages over there. No, this is a single page only, because this is not a funnel, this is a proper single page website we are building. Okay, so now the first of all thing what we have to do, let's understand this entire structure over here while changing the themes or changing couple of stuffs under this particular page, that how the things work and how we can able to change the things over here. So let's see that we have first of all the logo over there to the left hand side top area, and we want to add logo over there, because this is something that this is not a real logo. Okay, this is just something Ipsum is given over there, that we can put the logo over there. Before going ahead, I just want you to please check this particular page once, that what things are already mentioned over there and what we have to mention here. So the one thing that mentioned that our logo, contact details like the company's phone number. The second block is coming, in which they have mentioned that need a PC repair. Like let's say that you have a technical support company and you provide a solution regarding the computers, okay, over the call, that let's say the customer is calling you and they are asking that their computer is running slow, or they are having some problem with the Google Chrome, or maybe some of their software things are not working, and they want you to repair, they want you to fix the problem. Okay, so that is the reason we have mentioned over there that need a PC repair. All right, if you want something else, like you don't have a software kind of business over there, so you can simply mention over there household repair, household repair. So what happened, like under the household, what kind of things comes, like let's say you have AC, you have cooler, or you need some kind of plumber. Okay, whatever the things which get damaged in your home. So let's say that you are a business owner that who provides such kind of facilities to your client, that if anybody needs the plumber, they can get into your website and they can ask for it. They can directly call you, or they can just go ahead and fill up their details to the contact form, and they can reach to you. All right, so this is something that what we can able to do over here. What I'm doing, I'm just changing it over here, and I'm leaving it with the PC repair thing. And we have you can see that the form is already provided over there. It is a call to action form, where client will go ahead and fill up their information, and they can book an appointment directly to you. We will go ahead and learn about this, that how to integrate this all things. Okay, that if the client will go ahead and fill this particular form, where actually the details will receive. Okay, either you can get it on the Google Sheet, or whether you want to receive it on your email directly. Okay, we will go ahead and learn all this thing one by one. Okay, so now if you want to change this particular image, we will able to do that as well. If we want to change the background of this particular block, we can able to change the background as well. All right, we can able to like control the opacity of this particular image or the background as well. Like we can if you can see the background closely, it has something in the background with a blue color over there. Okay, so this is something that we can control, that blue color. It may be little bit more lighter or little bit more according to the image which is already over there, that how much we want to focus on that particular image. All right, so now the third blocks come up with the what customers are saying. So let's say that you have already your company established, you have lots of customer. Okay, so you can add the real testimonials of your customers. Like there are so many customers who are happy with you, you can just contact them and you can take a small feedback over there. If you have the Facebook group, if you have the Facebook page, okay, you can just ask them that please go to our Facebook page, or if you have already done with your Google My Business, so you can ask your clients that they can go to the Google and they can review for your particular work, like particular service which you are providing. Okay, your clients can provide, you can take the screenshot of those particular things there, and you can add it on your website, or you can just simply write it on the website by mentioning the client's name and what they do. Okay, so this is something that how it works. Now if you go down that let's say that you have blogs as well. Okay, you are regularly maintaining your blog pages, you are writing the blog on different technical stuff. Okay, so here you can provide an option that they can subscribe to your newsletters. Okay, so whenever you are publishing any new blog, so they will get the notification regarding your blog on their email addresses. Once they will provide here their email address and subscribe to your blog page, okay, they will start receiving the notification regarding that what actually new post you have made on your blog page. So they have added the blog post option as well. Okay, apart from this, the last one is the footer area, where it has mentioned like you can give the label of your company, that the all rights are reserved by you and your company. Okay, we can able to make all these changes, like in this particular pre-designed website, I don't think that the content which is already available over here, we need to change it. If you have your own images, you can do that. So okay, but if you don't have your own images, these are all stock images, you can do that. Obviously, like you have to change all these things, like the customer, what your customer is saying, you need to mention, you need to put your own copywritings over there. Okay, because this is something that the template designer will not going to provide. This template will be going to use by so many people in the group. Okay, so you have to mention your own testimonials over here. Okay, you need to change this picture of the girl or this particular man over there. You need to provide their name, the roles, what roles they have. Okay, so this is something that we will go ahead and discuss each and everything one by one in my upcoming videos, because I don't want to get the videos more long. Okay, so I'm just going to complete this video here only, and I'm just going to quickly record the another video to go ahead and start with the editing part of this particular page. And we will also go ahead and check that how we can able to design a website or a funnel from a scratch without taking any particular theme. We will go ahead and design completely a new website. All right, that's it for this particular session. And if you like this video, please hit the like button, please do share this video, and please do subscribe the channel so that you will keep getting the notification regarding my upcoming videos. See you soon. Bye bye.